Here's a question. How much money will you have in your retirement account at 55 if you start investing $300 a month today? Take a second and actually guess. If you said, I don't know, that's the problem. And if you said, maybe 50 grand, you're way off. The answer is somewhere between $400,000 and $800,000, depending on average returns. You just need to start. But here's why you won't. You're waiting for permission. You're waiting for more money. You're waiting for the perfect time. And every month you wait, you're losing thousands in compound growth. Literally, mathematically. This isn't motivation. This is math. Let me show you how investing has changed since your parents gave you advice, why everything they told you is wrong, and exactly what you need to do differently. Then, your parents' investing playbook. Back in 2010, if you wanted to invest, you had 3 problems. First, you paid a lot. Brokerage fees were $20 per trade. If you bought 3 stocks, you paid $60 just to buy them. If you sold them, another $60. Imagine paying $120 just to make a move. Most people didn't invest because it wasn't worth it for small amounts. Second, advice cost money. Financial advisors charged 1 to 2% per year just to manage your money. On a $10,000 portfolio, that's $100 to $200 a year. Sounds small? Over 30 years, that's a huge drag on growth. Third, information was terrible. You either read books, watched CNBC, or called someone. The consensus was pick good individual stocks. Invest in Apple. Invest in Microsoft. Diversify by picking 6 companies you believe in. This is insane advice. It worked sometimes. Mostly it didn't. Now, everything is different. Commissions are 0. Every major broker, Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, charges nothing to buy or sell. You can invest $50 and it costs you 0. The barrier is gone. Advice is free. YouTube exists. Reddit exists. Podcasts exist. You have better information than Wall Street had in 1990. For free. And the winning strategy isn't pick stocks. It's the opposite. It's invest in everything at once. That's index funds. An ETF like VOO or VTI gives you ownership of 500 or 3,500 companies. You don't pick winners. You own the entire market. Here's what changed and why it matters. Then, save money in a bank account earning 0.5% interest. Now, high-yield savings at 4 to 5% while you're deciding what to invest in. Then, pick individual stocks based on research. Now, index funds that beat 90% of active investors for January 10th, the stress. Then, pay an advisor 1.5% to manage $10,000, impossible with small amounts. Now, invest $100 yourself with 0 fees in 5 minutes. Then, start at 30 when you have real money. Now, start at 22 with $50 per month and end up richer. Let me show you the math on that last one because it should actually scare you. $300 per month starting at 22 with 8% average annual returns. By 55, you have $804,000. $300 per month starting at 30 with the same 8% returns. By 55, you have $394,000. Waiting 8 years cost you $410,000. That's not motivation. That's a $410,000 mistake for waiting. But here's the thing. Most people your age know this. They've heard the math. They still don't invest. Why? It's not because they don't have money. It's because they don't know what to actually do. So here are 3 moves. Move 1. Open a brokerage account. Takes 15 minutes. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Pick one. Link your bank account. Done. Move 2. Set up an automatic transfer. $100 per month. $300 per month. Whatever you can afford. Set it on the first of the month so you don't think about it. It just happens. Move 3. Buy 1 ETF. Just one. VOO if you want US companies, VTI if you want total US market, VA if you want international. Or literally just buy all 3 and stop thinking about it. That's it. That's the whole strategy. You're not picking stocks. You're not watching it daily. You're not paying anyone. You set it and it works for 30 years. The hard part isn't the investing. It's the waiting. It's watching your account be worth $300, then $600, then $1,200. It feels slow. It's not. Compound interest is doing the work. By year 5, your balance is $20,000. Year 10, it's $55,000. Year 20, it's $200,000. Year 30, it's $800,000. But you have to start. Your parents had excuses. Fees were high. Information was bad. Starting with $50 didn't make sense. You don't have those excuses anymore. You have everything you need. A free account, free information, free trades, a $50 minimum. The only thing stopping you is you. So here's my question for you. What's actually stopping you from investing $100 this month? Is it not knowing which account to open? Not knowing which fund to buy? Just general fear? Drop it in the comments and let's solve it. Because waiting costs you more than you know.